My esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. It is certain that this local analysis is working. How do we know that it's working? Let's quickly check BTC as at yesterday when I dropped this class. Alright, it is shown that a lot of differences has been made. It has been on profit since then, which is roughly 24 hours now. Very nice one. Okay, let's look at what I really traded. What I traded was cards. Let's look at the cards and let's see if really this strategy is working, because we're going to continue on this strategy for like a while. Wow. Cards, where is it? Okay. We're going to continue on this strategy for like a while and see how we can be making profit from this strategy every day. Now you can see. You see? Cat has been doing so well, and definitely I am on profit. Alright, I am on what? On profit. I did not even come back to check it on time. It even went as higher as 0.0001 before it came down again. I was so occupied yesterday I couldn't catch out, and today again it's still going to the same direction. That is a very nice move. This is to show that this strategy is working. So all you just need to do is to make sure you master these strategies and start cashing out for yourself. So far we have had over plus 27 in profit. You know what I mean? And you can check. I always tell you to check always the 24 hours turnover. The higher it went, what was this? The lower was 7, and the 24 hours turnover was 8.4 million. This is to show you that this coin has that capacity, or is still building a very high momentum to move very, very high. But as it is now, it has already taken a very reasonable movement. So you are to make your own calculation before investing if you're coming in new. Okay, before investing, if you're coming in new. But for you that are already in the market, you can take your profit down and wait for another opportunity, as I'm going to take my profit and wait for another opportunity. Right? So let's check now if really so looking at it from where I purchased mine. Looking at it from where I purchased mine at 0.08, which was here, which was when I saw the potentials in it. Okay, I purchased it here when I saw the potential in it, because it first take a movement. I was watching, so it declines again. I was still watching, but when I saw it here at 0.0008, I choose to involve. Right, I bought it here, so I choose to engage and left it for like a while, and now you can see it's seriously in profit, though not much, but I am in profit. Okay, and I'm still leaving it because I can see the momentum is too high. But if you were in the trade with me, I advise you quit now, unless if you really want to take a high risk. But if you take a high risk, it will be better for you because you will make a lot of profit. Okay, so you can see it now. You can see how these strategies are really working. You can see, okay, from this place, which went to 0088 00088, to this place, which was 4088, no, 4073, sorry. All right, so let's look at the time. The time here was what? 8:15. 8:15 by evening. Okay, and the time here was what? The time here was 2. Now you calculate. You see the time difference. Take it from here. That is, take it from here. This is what? Around 8. This was around what? 2. All is in PM. So 2 to 8 now, you calculate the hours different. Okay? The hours difference. That's roughly 7 to 8 hours. Okay. If you watch this trade up to 7 to 8 hours like that, and you have been viewing, how has it been going? When has been it low and high? Then you may know exactly when to enter this trade. Always look at the what? At the time frame. When was it high and where was it low? What was the time interval and time differences? Okay, then you look at this and know how exactly or when exactly to engage in your trade. Let's say, okay, you waited for like 8 hours now and you come to this place and pick a trade. Okay, if you pick a trade here now, let's see where the next place. Okay, when it went to 0.9, it was at what? At 12. This was at 12 what? At 12 a.m. At 12 a.m. All this was what? Was still, sorry, at 12 p.m. Okay, that started, you can see from the 8 p.m. You can see from that 8 p.m. to what? From that 8 p.m. From that 8 a.m. sorry, from that 8 a.m. now, this was a.m. The 8 was a.m. From that 8 a.m. now to 12 p.m. You see, there has been a lot of profit. This time it was what? 4 hours. 4 hours interval. So when you do your proper calculation, you can see that really this strategy is working and it will be able to fetch you a lot of profit. But all you just need to do is to devote time, pay attention. Pay attention so that you will not be taking a wrong strategy for yourself. Okay? So you can see, so looking at it forward, you can see a lot has been happening too. But one of the most important things you should understand or check in the coin is that coin flexible? Is that coin flexible? Which is the first question you should ask yourself. Is it always going up and down between hours? Or is the type of coin that when it start going down, it will just be going down? So watch those coins carefully. You must watch a coin carefully. You must understand a coin movement from like 1 hour, 2 hours. Okay, 1 hour, you go to its 1 hour's movement, 1 day movement, 4 hours movement, and the rest. Just make sure you check carefully. How has this coin been doing? It's very important before you dive into it. Because some of these coins are crazy. If it is a coin that is by day, you know it's by day. If you are willing to trade it, then you can go ahead and trade it. All right. So this brings me to the end of the class. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done that, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So let's be doing this and we'll be cashing out. Okay, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.